Hey guys, welcome back to RC Geeks. Today we're going to be assembling this live axle that we got from BMI Karting. This axle costs $220. It's a live axle, that's what it is. And yeah. So this sprocket, it comes like not together. So you put the bolts. There's 6 of these, and then there's 6 nuts. So then you're supposed to get the hub. There's 3 hubs, but the one you're going to use is this one. The other 2 don't have those. Those are for the wheels. So you're going to position it like this. It should go in. But before you do that, you're going to want to take these. There's 3 of them. There's 3 of these, but these are thicker. So this one's going to go in here. There's a small hole and a big one. You're going to want to put it on the bigger hole. So after you've done that, it's supposed to be like this. Then you're going to take it and you're going to put it in the holes like this. There's the smaller holes, but they don't line up. So these 3 line up. And then you're going to take there's 3 nuts that should go on. Okay, so that should go on just like that. So that's your sprocket. And then you're going to take one of these. Because the 3 they're smaller. You're going to want to put it in here. So it should go in. Don't tighten it just yet, because you're going to tighten it onto when it's on the axle already. Okay, so that's the sprocket. So you're going to put it aside. Then you're going to take your next hub, and you're going to take, there's 6 of these, 3 on each hub. You're going to take it and you're going to put it in the one with space. Like, see how it's the non-threaded area? One of the holes has a non-threaded area too. So it should go on real nicely. Okay, so you got this one done, okay? And then you're gonna take the next one and you're gonna do the same. Okay, so those should be on like that. Then you're gonna take this and put it in. You're gonna take the sprocket. And I got this brake rotor from Go Power Sports, sponsors, and this caliper. So what you're gonna, it was like $60, Julie. And then you're gonna slide it on. Nice and easy. Okay, so it should go on. Then I bought these two like collars. These 2 collars from Ace Hardware. So you can clamp on there. Oh, indeed. Hold on, wait. Sometimes you need to loosen the key inside. The little key inside. Okay, and that should go on. Oh. Okay, so sometimes they fall out, so put it back in. Okay, so that's gonna go on like that. Then you're gonna take your sprocket and you're gonna gently put it on. Oh wait, so you guys being wrong. You're gonna take the collars. It comes with the kit. It comes with the kit. So then you're gonna put it. It doesn't really matter which way you put it, just so you put it. Sometimes you kind of gotta nudge it because of little things in the axle. And then you're gonna take your another collar and you're gonna go and pinch it in. So it should look like this.
How do you know how far you put it?
Then, what you're gonna want to do is, okay, so let's go to the trike. I already welded the hangers on. I'll put this in. Okay, so basically, I already welded it on. So we like calculated it and we put it right there. So then what you're gonna do? Take your bearings. And you're gonna clamp it like I did earlier. You're gonna put it on the inside, just because I think it looks better like that. First, take the lockets off. Okay, once they're off, you put them in just like that. And don't tighten them all the way, because then you can't adjust the bearing to put the axle in. You just kind of put it on and just, for now, just tighten it until the plastic in the lock nut doesn't allow it to screw anymore. Then you could use a power drill or whatever you want to use. Okay, so that's that. And then you're gonna take your second bearing. Take that. And you're gonna go to the second one. So likewise, you're gonna put it in like this. Like this. So it's hidden. You're gonna put this one in. Just like you did on the first one. Okay, so basically, then you're gonna go and get your axle again. Then you're gonna go and you're gonna slide it in. After you have it in the position you want it, you're gonna take one of the collars, you're gonna put it on like this, make sure it's loose, because then it won't go on, as you saw, trying to put the bearing in. Okay, so that's gonna go on there, and then I got these Firestone wheels. You have to look at the way it's rotating. I got these Firestone 12 by 9 by 6. Then we went to a local PVC store and we picked up some PVC, cut it in half. So then I'm gonna lift it, line it up. So that's on like that. So nice. That's what it's supposed to look like from here. Then you're gonna take your thicky nut, this one, and you're gonna put it on. Just until the plastic isn't out, and then you're gonna pull it back, and you put the collar back. And then it comes with these 6 nuts. These, and then you're gonna put them on. After you finish tightening those, then you're gonna take your collar, hub, your nut, your screw, your nut, your bolt. Thank you. And then you're gonna take the wheel again. Okay. So after that's on, then you're gonna put the nuts back on. Okay, so after that's on, it looks something along these lines. Okay, so we just need to get everything tight, tighten everything, took the wheels back, tighten it all, and that was pretty much it. So we already drilled the holes with these so they would fit. All 4 of them. out these galvanized nuts, and they just go on the bottom.